Did you know QuickSwap's daily trading volume has skyrocketed by over 300% in just the last month? That's right, 300%. What does this mean for you and the future of DeFi? You'll want to stick around because this could be a game changer. Quick note, this video is for informational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Before we dive into the details of QuickSwap, let's talk about Justin Sun. He's a powerhouse in the crypto world, the founder of Tron, and a key influencer in the space. His endorsements and tweets can make waves across the crypto community. Recently, he's been all over Twitter hyping up QuickSwap, so what's the big deal? QuickSwap is not just any decentralized exchange. It's the leading DEX on the Polygon network, and its performance is catching eyes. With lightning-fast transactions and near-zero fees, it's designed to outpace competitors like Uniswap and SushiSwap. Let's explore what makes QuickSwap unique and how it's positioning itself in the DeFi ecosystem. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Justin Sun's recent tweet about QuickSwap exploded on Twitter. His tweet highlighted QuickSwap's innovative features and future plans, sparking intense discussions across social media. We'll break down what this tweet revealed and why it's causing such a buzz. What does Justin Sun's endorsement mean for QuickSwap and the broader DeFi space? We'll analyze how this backing could potentially attract new users and liquidity, and what this means for QuickSwap's future in a highly competitive market. Let's dig into QuickSwap's standout features. From its super low fees to its diverse DeFi offerings like liquidity pools and yield farming, QuickSwap aims to deliver a seamless trading experience. How does it stack up against other DEXs? And what should investors be excited about? Security is paramount in the crypto world. We'll dive into QuickSwap's security measures, including rigorous audits, formal verifications, and code reviews. How does QuickSwap ensure the safety and integrity of its platform? QuickSwap isn't just a DEX, it's part of the Dragonfly ecosystem, which includes exciting products like QuickBurps and a gaming hub. What does this mean for the future of DeFi and QuickSwap's role in it? QuickSwap's user-friendly interface is designed to make trading accessible for everyone. How does its simplicity benefit both newbies and seasoned traders? We'll look at the platform's design and usability. Every investment has risks. We'll explore potential risks associated with AMM-based DEXs like QuickSwap, including price manipulation and impermanent loss. What should users be aware of before diving in? To sum it up, Justin Sun's recent tweet has propelled QuickSwap into the spotlight, and it's clear that this could be a pivotal moment for the platform. With significant backing and unique features, QuickSwap might just be poised to make a big splash in the DeFi space. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Justin Sun's announcement and QuickSwap's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Type, "I am ready" if you're excited about QuickSwap, and I'll make sure to give your comment a heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto updates and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive into QuickSwap and Justin Sun's announcement. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to stay informed and keep researching before making any investment decisions. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious in the crypto world.